second. This is the homework that goes along with it. And we are talking about square roots and cube roots. If you guys studied those green bookmarks that I've given you, this is going to be a much easier concept for you. Okay, every positive number has two square roots. For example, isn't the square root of 9 3 and negative 3? And this is why. Isn't 3 times 3 9? So the square root of 9 is 3. And isn't negative 3 times negative 3 also 9? So when you take a square root of a number, technically, the square root of 9 is plus and minus 3. You see I've written that. Plus and minus 3. So if we were solving, or I was asking you to find all roots, you would tell me that the square root of 9 is positive and negative 3. But the positive square root is called the principal root. And generally, unless we are solving, you will just say that the square root of 9 is 3. Note that the symbol plus and minus will denote both roots, positive and negative. Now, under here, I want you to add this. It's going to be the first time you guys have seen this. Do you see this is a square root symbol, but in that little elbow, there's a small 3. This is read the cube root of 8. The cube root of 8. Now, what is the cube root of 8? Justin, correct. Because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So, the cube root of 8 is 2. Now, I have a question for you. Is it plus and minus 2? Is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 8? No. So when you take a cube root, there is only one of them. Now, let's extend this topic. What if I said to you, the square root of negative 16? And you can just write this on the space somewhere. What is the square root of negative 16? Casey. What is negative 4 times negative 4? It's positive 16. What is 4 times 4? Is there any number that you know of right now that when you multiply it by itself, you're going to get negative 16? You're going to write no real number. There is no square root of negative 16 that is a real number. That's where you start learning about the imaginary number I, but that's an Algebra 2 topic. We're not even going to worry about that. You cannot take the square root of negative 16. It doesn't make sense because a number times itself is not going to give you a negative. Now, what if I gave you this? The cube root of negative 25 27. The cubed root of negative 27. Page is saying negative 3. Let's see if Page is right. That would mean that negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is negative 27. Is Paige right? She absolutely is. Because negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So the cubed root of negative 27 is negative 3. When you are taking an odd number root, which a cubed root is an odd number root, there will be one root, and it can either be positive or negative. When you are taking an even number root, it is impossible right now to take the even number root of a negative number. But when you take the even number root of a positive number, what's the square root of 16? Will that be just in 4? And plus and minus 4. Even roots, there are 2 of them, plus and minus. And odd roots, there are only 1. It's either positive or negative. Now, let's take a look at some of these examples. Look at this pattern. Negative square root of 1/25. What do you think the answer is going to be there? Justin. What? Did you say 1/50? What's the square root of 1? 1. What's the square root of 25? What times itself gives you 25? 5. And do you see this bad boy negative out front? The answer is negative 1/5, not negative 1/50, right? Taking the square root of a fraction is exactly like taking the square root of a regular number. Take the square root of the numerator, take the square root of the denominator, be done with it. This negative gets carried along. Plus and minus square root of 0. Now, what do you think the answer is, Casey? Correct. The square root of 0 is 0. Is there such a thing as positive 0? No. Is there such a thing as negative 0? No. 0 is neutral. It is smack dab in the middle of the positives and negatives. It's just 0. All right. Now, notice this direction says find all square roots. So I'm taking the square root of 0.81. Good thing that this is in Trinity Decimal Boot Camp Week. What is the square root of 0.81? Lily. And what am I going to put in front of that? Because the directions say find all square roots. Plus and minus 0.9. Now, Lily is on her A game. Let me show it to you. 0.9 times 0.9. Forget about the decimals. 9 times 9 is 81. 1, 2 decimal places, 0.81. Okay? So you're working backwards when you're multiplying. It won't be 0.09, because if I multiply 0.09 times 0.09, 9 times 9 is 81, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will not give us 0.81. All right, what is the square root of negative 36? No real number. Can't do it. You cannot take the square root of a negative at this point. All right. Between what 2 consecutive integers are each of the following answers? We are going to use our brains. the square root, there's a negative in front of it. Okay. Let's just deal with the square root of 105. What two perfect squares is that between? The square root of 100 and the square root of 121. Because you guys agree that 100, then 105, and 121. I have found the two perfect squares that surround it, and the reason I wrote it this way is because we got this negative in front, right? So we're on the negative side. The square root of negative root 100 would be negative 10. This will be negative 11. Now, I have a question for you. Is the square root of 105 closer to the square root of 100 or closer to the square root of 121, Justin? So, yeah, closer to the square root of 100. So give me a decent estimate of what this will be. It's between negative 10 and negative 11. But what would a good estimate? The square negative root 105 is approximately. I can do the equals with a dot, or I could do a squiggly equal. That means approximately equal to. What do you think? 10 point what? Is this smack dab in the middle of those two? No, so negative 10.5 is not a good estimate because it is not in the middle. It's 5 away from there, and it's what? 16 away from there. So 10.5, no good. What do you think? Okay, negative 10.25. Would I think that's a good estimate? Yeah! What if I said negative 10.3? Would I say that that's okay? Yeah! What about negative 10.2? Yeah! Would I even mark negative 10.1 wrong? No! But would I mark 10.5 wrong? Yes, because this is not in the middle. It is clearly less than 10.5. You see what I'm saying? All right, now, square root of 201. What two perfect squares is that between? Casey? The square root of 196 and the square root of 225. If you know your perfect squares, this is going to be a lot easier on you. The square root of 196 is 16, and the square root of 25, no it's not. What am I saying? 14 and 15. The square root of 196 is 14, and the square root of 225 is 15. So it is between 14 and 15. Let's estimate. The square root of 201 is approximately equal to what? Now, is it closer to 196 or is it closer to 225? Let's get some other people involved here. Go get it. It is closer to 196 because it is 5 away from 196 and it is what? 24 away from 225. So give me a decent estimate of what this will be. Joseph. I say 14.2 is a pretty good estimate. Would I mark 14.1 wrong? No. Would I mark 14.3 wrong? No. Okay. Square root of 21. This is an estimate. Is approximately what? The first thing that goes through your head is what two perfect squares is this in between? Square root of 21 is between what two perfect